the first assignment. This last part, part 3 up here is it's a chain kind of simulator. So basically, yeah. So I think it's really cool actually. It's glitching out. Let me just run it again. Yeah, so this is all done through JavaScript and Tiny Graphics library, I said before, made by the UCLA, the CS class department. So yeah, it's actually pretty complex, but basically we have our top particle that's just moving along our spline, from our first part. So it's a good, kind of combination of part 1 and part 2. So it's moving sinusoidally actually as a function of time along the spline, and there's no forces. It's just like the forces only force, like we control its velocity, and in turn it affects all the other particles on the attached by the chain, the spring, and they kind of move along, and it's the same kind of forces as from part 2. You have your ground forces, and yeah, so we kind of, I guess you can think of us as applying the applied force on the top particle and make it move, and then that in turn affects all the little particles below. I think it's pretty neat. Yeah. There's no commands. It's just a kind of a demo simulator. So yeah, it's really nice. I think. Definitely took a long time to do, but the end product is pretty rewarding, I think. So yeah, that's mostly it. Yeah, I won't go over the code of it, I guess. So mostly it's just kind of piecing together parts 1 and part 2. So we have our simulator, we have our spring classes, particle class, curve shape class to render the spline, Hermite spline, linear spline, Hermite spline, and then we kind of hard code. We preset our control points to the Hermite spline. We create simulators, specify time steps, initialize simulators. We push the particles we want to be on there, push the springs on there, connect the springs and particles, and then we draw this stuff. We mostly just draw carry out the simulator time steps, update the positions, right, and then draw it. And then we have our draw function as said before. Yeah, that's mostly it. Hope this was pretty cool, inspire people to do computer graphics.